Looking for the best incline treadmills for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 incline treadmills that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find an incline treadmills that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended incline treadmills. Number 1 on the list is Sunny Health Fitness SF T7515 Smart Treadmill. The Sunny Health Fitness SF T7515 Smart Treadmill is our editor's choice because it has 12 levels of adjustable automatic incline and 3 countdown modes, making it easy to customize your workout. Your knees won't feel the strain with the shock absorption deck. It is packed with integrated speakers, a microphone, Bluetooth, and an MP3 connector allowing you to answer calls and listen to music while building your cardio endurance. This smart treadmill also has a digital LCD that displays time, distance, speed, calories, incline, and heart rate, as well as a body mass index calculator to track your progress. The phone connectivity and device holder allow you to stay entertained while working towards your fitness goals. This Sunny Health Fitness SF T7515 Smart Treadmill is an upgrade to other popular models from the same manufacturer like the SF T1407M foldable manual walking treadmill. As implied by the name, the SF T1407M is a manual model with no powered adjustments. On the other hand, the SF T7515 Smart Treadmill offers one-touch incline settings alongside other electronic features like Bluetooth, an LCD screen, and even a pulse sensor. This should make use more convenient. Second on the list is Echelon Stride Treadmill. The Echelon Stride S is our premium pick because it meets the highest safety standards, has a sleek and functional design, and comes with a wide range of features. It features auto-fold technology to provide access to workouts for youngsters and seniors. This premium device also has a huge weight capacity of 350 pounds, and can accommodate users of all sizes. Additionally, it has a 10-inch HD touchscreen display, integrated handlebar heart rate sensors, and LED readouts that show your pulse, distance, incline, time, speed, and calorie burn. This treadmill is equipped with 2 USB chargers, 2 speakers, and a Bluetooth connection. This treadmill shares a few similarities with the NordicTrack T series treadmills. One example is they're both made of alloy steel. Additionally, you get 10 incline settings with either option. Notably, the NordicTrack model is great, but if you're a more advanced runner, you might want to pick this Echelon model since it allows you to run faster. Additionally, it's built to handle more weight, and the secure tablet holder provided may come in handy. Number 3 on the list is NordicTrack T 6.5S. The best part about the NordicTrack T series treadmills is the app support. With the global workouts and studio classes, you can stream live and on-demand workouts right on your equipment. And with the 30-day iFit membership, your trainer can auto-adjust your speed and incline through a smart Bluetooth connection. With the Flex Select deck cushioning, you can protect your joints while you run. Plus, the 300-pound user capacity makes this treadmill perfect for all types of users. And with the 10-year frame warranty, 2-year parts warranty, and 1-year labor warranty, you can be sure that your investment is protected. This NordicTrack T series treadmill competes well with the Echelon Stride S, which is our premium pick. They both have 10 incline settings in addition to having the same construction. Additionally, they share some extra features such as speakers and cup holders. While the Echelon is an impressive machine, this treadmill may be a better pick for newbies since it's more affordable without sacrificing too many features. Number 4 on the list is SereneLife Folding Treadmill. One of the most affordable treadmills with an incline is the SereneLife Folding Treadmill. It has 12 preset training modes and a manual program mode to help you customize your workout. The large walking/running surface and 4-level manual style angle adjustable incline make it a great choice for those who want to get a good workout without spending a lot of money. Additionally, the Bluetooth function allows you to connect your phone and listen to music while you work out. This machine also has an LCD display to keep track of your progress. Its hand pulse grip sensors are here to help you stay in your target heart rate zone. Regarding the other incline treadmills on the list, this SereneLife folding treadmill can easily be compared with the OMA treadmill for home 5108EB. These two are the lightest treadmills on the list, which should be great when you want to move them. This option is great for your budget since it's the cheaper of the two. However, if you want to run a bit faster, consider getting the OMA model since it offers a higher maximum speed. Number 5 on the list is OMA Treadmill for Home 5108EB. OMA Treadmill for Home 5108EB. Best presets for Incline Treadmill is the best incline treadmill with presets for your home gym because it comes with 36 exercise programs and 3 custom programs. This means that you can make plans for yourself and run at home without the need for a fitness coach. Additionally, the OMA Treadmill for Home 5108EB has a powerful and quiet motor that makes it perfect for indoor running, and it also has heavy-duty steel support that can hold up to 300 pounds. It also has a 6-layered running belt which is anti-slip and shock-absorbing, and a fast control handle that makes it easy to adjust the speed. Similar to the SereneLife folding treadmill mentioned above, this OMA model allows for manual incline adjustments. Additionally, the two come with similarly sized belts. Ultimately, this treadmill might be a better purchase if you're a more advanced runner and need higher speeds. However, if you want something for keeping fit that stores and transports easily, consider the SereneLife model since it folds and is lighter. Other than that, the price difference between them isn't that big. Just now is a list of 5 best incline treadmills that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.